This 2024 Starcraft GSL 321 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Starcraft is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 11, refrigerator, slide-out, oven, stovetop burner, skylight, external shower, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Starcraft GSL 321 BHS is 8,839 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.